The outcomes for this video include use a graphical user interface-based browser to display a given web page, adjust settings to customize the view and preferences of the browser application, navigate on the internet. Outcomes continued, use a search engine to locate given information specifications, and print a web page. Use a graphical user interface-based browser to display a given web page. Hi everybody and welcome back to the YouTube channel. So today we're going to be going through Unit Standard 116931. This is the Learner Guide. The first thing we're going to do is open up Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. And we're going to search for a site. Let's go with Paris 2024 Olympics. We can choose the first hyperlink that comes up. So the first thing to demonstrate is to prevent a web page from loading, you can press this cross over here, the stop or exit button, and that'll stop the web page from loading. And in order to refresh the web page, you can click this button here again, or Ctrl+R, and it'll refresh the web page. To change the web browser's home page, you can go to Settings, which is in the right-hand corner, or the three-dot function. You can scroll down to the Settings option. In Appearance on the left-hand side, you can click on Appearance, and you can scroll down until you find the option to select which buttons to show on the toolbar, the Home button, set the button URL. You can click on that, and over here you can currently see that Google is the main home page for this web browser. But it's here that we can select this hyperlink, delete it, and replace it with the Paris 2024 Olympic hyperlink, which we can go to, select, left click and hold down and select, right click, copy, go to settings, right click and paste. And if we were to say save, the Google homepage would be replaced with the Paris 2024 Olympics homepage. So that is how to change the home page of the web browser. If we go back to the Paris 2024 Olympics page, and we go to the three-dot function, and we scroll down to more tools, you'll find there's an option to save the page as. This allows us to save the page and save it in our Documents folder. So if we click on it, it'll take us to our Documents folder, where we can scroll down and ensure we're in Documents. If you want to create a new folder to save your work in, you can go there and click the New Folder option. I'm going to click on Award Media Training, where I'm going to save my document. And I'm happy with the file name. It's over here that I can change it. Or the Save As type I can also change over here. But I'm happy as it is, so I can click Save. If you'd like to close the web browser, you can go to the Close option in the right-hand corner. Or if you want to close individual tabs, you can click on the cross option, and it'll start closing the individual tabs. Adjust settings to customize the view and preferences of the browser application. If you'd like to adjust the appearance of your web browser, you can go to the settings in the right-hand corner. You can find settings, you can go to appearance, and it's here that you can start to change your appearance. You can customize it. You can choose the dark theme, or you can choose the cool breeze theme. You can also change your favorites button, your split screen button, history button. So that you can all find in appearance. If you'd like to see your previously visited URLs, you can go to your history in your settings option. And here you can click on a URL and it'll take you back to that site, as you can see. Or what you can do is you can go to your history and you can start closing down your history for URLs that you no longer need. navigate on the internet. If you'd like to go backwards, you can use the backwards option. And if you'd like to go forwards, you can use the forwards option. Both of these arrows are on the left-hand corner. So let's search again for the Paris 2024 Olympics. And let's click on a hyperlink. Here it's taken us to the site again. What we can do now is we can scroll down and select some text to copy and paste into a Word document. So let's find this text here. Let's left click and hold and drag the mouse until we've selected all the text we'd like. Right click on the text and say copy. Find your Word document, or you may need to search in the search bar for Word. Once Word opens, you can choose a blank document and you can right click and paste. You can paste keeping the text only, merging formatting, or keep source formatting. But let's just keep the text only. So you can paste by right clicking and pasting, or you can paste in the corner here with the more paste options. The same options apply. If you'd like to save this file now, you can go File, Save, scroll down to Browse, find the folder you've been saving in your Documents, and you can save it, the file name differently if you'd like to. I'm going to keep mine the same, the Best of Paris 2024, and the save as type is a Word document. You can say save. We can close that down. In order to find that document again, what you can do is you can go to your File Explorer option. You can click on that. Go back to Documents. Go back to the folder that you saved it in. And you can find it there. There it is there, the Best of Paris 2024. And if you double click on that, it'll open up that page again. If you'd like to save an image from a web browser, you can right click on the image, say Save Image As, Documents, the folder you're saving in, and you can save it as Paris 2024 Olympic image. And you can also change the save as type if available, but let's just keep it the same and you can say save. And once again, if you'd like to find that image, you can also go to File Explorer, to your Documents folder, to the folder that you've been saving in, and there you'll find it there, Paris 2024 Olympic image. If you would like to bookmark a page, you can go to the Settings option, click on Favorites, create a new folder, Demo Bookmark. You can add the page to the folder by clicking the Add This Page to the Favorites. You'll see it's been added because the star becomes blue. If you'd like to deselect a page from favorites, you can click on the favorites option and say remove. You can also remove the page from favorites from going to settings again, into favorites, finding the URL link, right-clicking on it and saying delete. You'll see it's no longer favorite because the star is no longer blue. Use the search engine to locate given information specifications. In regards to using the search engines, if you were to simply search for Paris 2024 Olympics, as it is there, you'll see that the search results come up to 4,060,000. If you'd like to refine your search, you can use a narrator such as the hyphenation button. In this case, let's put the hyphenations before and after the number 2024, because what we are telling the computer is Please search for Paris 2024 Olympics, but specifically 2024 Olympics. And in this way, the computer will refine its search. And we can see it's refined it to 3,750,000 results. So that is how to use a narrator. So if you're specifically looking for something, you can use the narrators to help the computer find those specifics. Print a web page. If you'd like to preview a page on the web browser into print preview, you can go to the settings option to print, and you'll see currently it's in Microsoft Print to PDF. It is here that you can change it to add a printer to a printer of your choice. You can change the copies to being as many as you'd like. Let's make it 3 in this case. You can change from portrait to landscape, and you can change the pages to be all the pages be printed or just the odd pages only. And you'll see on the right hand side the previews loading, and this will illustrate what the document will look like once printed. So when you are happy, you can say print. Thank you so much for joining us today and watching the video. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and please share with as many people as you feel would benefit from this training. Thank you.